All right, let's dive into one of the world's biggest infectious diseases, tuberculosis, also known as TB.
Here's a wild stat. About a quarter of everyone on Earth actually has a TB infection.
So, wait a minute. If that many people are infected, why aren't we all sick all the time? Well, the answer is a really big deal. It's all about infection versus actually having the disease.
So with latent TB, the bacteria are basically sleeping inside you, kept in check by your body.
But with active TB disease, that's when those sleeping bacteria wake up and start making you sick.
See the difference? With latent TB, you feel fine, no symptoms, and you can't spread it to anyone.
So how does this all start? Well, let's meet the tiny invader causing all this trouble.
The cause is a bacterium called Mycobacterium tuberculosis. This thing is a master of airborne travel.
If someone with active TB coughs, sneezes, or even just talks, they release germs into the air.
And get this, it can take inhaling as few as 10 of these tiny bacteria to get infected.
Okay, so what happens when that sleeping bacteria finally wakes up? Let's take a look.
These symptoms can start off pretty mild, which is why people often wait to see a doctor. The lungs are its main target. That's what's known as pulmonary TB, and it's the most common.
But it doesn't always stop there. TB can pretty much attack almost any part of your body.
So the big question is, what flips the switch? What makes the bacteria suddenly wake up and become active?
The good news? For most people, the bacteria just stays asleep forever. The risk is actually pretty low.
The trigger from latent to active? It's all about having a weakened immune system.
Things like HIV or malnutrition weaken your body's defenses, basically giving TB its chance to strike.
So, this is the most important thing to remember. Just being infected isn't the same as being sick.
So knowing this, how do we protect people from a threat that could be sleeping right inside them?